Who's a vegan can have curry goat on them table? In my kitchen, curry goat vegan style. Yes, ready for the table.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him one to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
So okay goodies, are you ready for cook? Vegan curry goat today in the kitchen? Alright now, let's cook. Let's get into our ingredients. And all the amounts for this recipe will also be listed down below. You're going to need a cup and a half of cooked lentil beans. Any lentil beans of your choice. Make sure that it cook nice and tender. 1.5 cup of that. You're also going to need a cup and a half of vital wheat gluten. You're also going to need 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, salt and black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and you're also going to need something to flavor it up. So you're going to need your all-purpose seasoning. Now, right there I have my King Spice Collection Keith Lauren Caribbean curry powder. I'm going to put the link below so you can go on his website, keithlauren.com, and order your spice. Now, let's cook. You're going to add your cup and a half of cooked lentil beans. And you're going to mash that out with a fork or with a potato masher. May I use a fork because I don't know already, I'm old school. Now, after about 3 minutes of mashing this thing up, it's okay, just like you're going to add your cup and a half of vital wheat gluten to it. 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, black pepper and salt for flavor, garlic powder and onion powder. And to turn it up loud, your all-purpose seasoning. Now you want to combine all this together. I have a cup of water, but I'm pretty sure I'm not going to use all of it, so you're going to go a little at a time on this. That looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put it on my clean surface there, and we're going to knead that. Now that that's nicely combined, and that looks pretty good, how I really want it to be, it's time to slice my meat up. So now that I've cut it into my desired pieces that I want it to be, remember when you cook it, it's going to expand. Now, to get your dish started, you need some pimento seed, garlic, ginger, and your curry powder. We're going to turn this on medium heat and allow it to cook for 45 minutes. Now for your final step, you're going to need onions, bell peppers, potato, hot pepper, scallion and thyme. You're also going to need some vinegar. You're going to also need your vegan butter, a little bit more seasoned salt to put back that flavor to the meat on the outside, and some parsley. Fresh parsley, dry parsley is fine. Now 45 minutes later, this is what your vegan goat meat looks like. Now it's time to kick that thing up a notch. You're going to add your season of choice to it. Parsley, vinegar, and you're going to add your vegan butter. After 30 minutes of simmering this thing on medium heat, vegan dinner ready. Curry goat, requested recipe. There you have it, guys. Your requested recipe is finally here. How to make Jamaican vegan curry goat recipe in your kitchen. My version, fast, easy and simple. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe for this and many more amazing recipes like this. Thumbs up, share, share, share. Comment down below, man. Let me know what you like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.